Hello and welcome, Stilly Cube here, and I'm pouring on this lovely large hexagon canvas. I had previously poured on it, but I didn't like what I did, so I am pouring over a fully dry painting. So this is the tester to see if it works. I intend on just doing some really bright and vibrant colours in with this. It's a black navy on the canvas, and I'm really hoping that rather than we waste this lovely big canvas, because I didn't like the art piece that I'd done previously on it, I'm just hoping that it really works out this time. So like I said, the base is my ordinary mix, global paint mixed with the pouring medium. So nothing special for the base. It's mixed the same as the colours that I'm going to use. Rightio, I want to do something that's bright and uplifting against this black base. I'm going to use some colours that I got here. This particular one is the wicker yellow. So maybe I do my blowouts up this way. Maybe I do something fiery, kind of makes me feel I should go something fiery. And then I've got the little tiny bit of it is a tiny bit of red, cool red. Let's see how we go with this. Just a little bit, not wasting anything, is it, if you're using it all there. And then I think I will go the orange. This is pre-mixed up, so orange, and then I'll add some more of this bright yellow. Really get me flames going here. It's definitely going to be a warm I want a really nice red. What have I got? Okay, I've got some of the what is it? I think it's the cool red here. I know I mixed it all up in this big container, so I could use it for, oh yeah, that's fine. Maybe I shouldn't have gone so high because I want to do like a flame effect, but you know, let's just see. I think I might do the bottom down, and then I definitely need a bit of white in there, or maybe I'll put some champagne as well. This is champagne gold. It's metallic gold mixed with metallic silver. It makes a really lovely champagne colour. Whatever your heart's desiring, do it. Rightio, I'm going to just throw in some white in here. Actually, I must try one of these big hexagon canvases to do a wave pour all the way around. It would probably look really spectacular on this. I think I better move my little painting that I've got here drying, because it's going to end up getting paint covered on it. So pretty excited about this. I'm really hoping this canvas holds out because it was pre-used. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Pretty excited about this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow out some of this down this way first. So I'm just moving it away, so hopefully the blowout will come on here. So let's give this a go. Wowzers, trousers! Oh my goodness, this is looking very promising. I'm thinking I've got too much going to cover my canvas, but I might take it down a bit further. Wow, 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 wow. Right, I'll flip back here. Okay, mistake I've done is I obviously overloaded the underneath of it with too much of that navy black. I should have blown that out first because a lot of the black has come through where I wanted a lot of the colour. So I am quite tempted to scrape this, would you believe? I just know that it would have turned out much more fiery looking if I hadn't have got so much of that black base. It is lovely. It is absolutely dark and moody, and the colours with resin on will absolutely pop. I've got the sun coming in my window, so it's just not happy with the so much black. I wanted it more of the fiery colours through, but I guess, yeah, it's too much of the dark colour as my base coat and as blew in too much. I haven't got such much vibrancy, but it's still very nice. Oh my goodness, what do you think? Should I leave it or should I Start again. Oh my goodness. I think it will look nice in, you know, when it's dried, embellished with something, or I could do just tiny, teeny balloon just to make some different effects in it. Probably better to do this when the paint's dried off a little bit. I mean, it is, I think actually it will be super duper. Pretty sure that when, you know, this would probably be worth resin going on it just to lift all of those colours. But I know that this type and this colour of painting will sell quite easy. So the only thing I'm hoping now is that there isn't too much paint on there and it cracks. What do you guys think? Oh, it's a difficult one. I think I'll just dry it off a bit. Pretty nice, isn't it? Wow. Actually, it's actually growing on me now. Now that I actually stand back and have a look at that. Wow. No, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. I think I'm going to stick with that. It hasn't turned out so fiery because of the dark in it, but it's very, very, that would look really nice on a very pale grey wall, or a white wall even, or even a black wall, I guess. Tell me what you think, you guys. I think I've got 3 of those hexagon canvases here with me at the moment, so I am definitely going to give that a go again with a fiery look, and I want to do a wave, but I know next time not to put so much base underneath because it's mooting my colours. Alrighty, I want you guys to stay safe. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed or anything, you must ring a family member or a friend or even a helpline. Please don't suffer in silence. There is always someone there to help you. Do something that gives you joy. Get in the garden, take a walk, or go and throw some paint around. That's definite art therapy for you. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, I will say bye for now. Okay, I decided to turn my camera back on again. I decided to put some big balloon kisses in it because it's actually bringing the colours that's there underneath back through. Well, not in that particular instant, but most time it's bringing the colours back through. So they're not actually looking like balloon kisses, but it's lifting some of that paint off and lifting, look, some of the colour underneath. And that's what I really want, is the colour that I know I've got there to come back through, show its face. And that's probably... So, hope you're not disappointed that I'm doing this, but it's, as I say, your art, your rules, your way. And this is what I thought, no, I have to do it. Besides, this is my most favourite thing to do. So remember, do what gives you joy. Don't listen to the naysayers. Let's put a bit of light in there. Might see if I can create a bit of light in there again. Just a bit too much black for me. That's it. There you go. There you go. There you go. All good. I'm happy with that. That is a beauty now. Really happy with that now. So there you go. Give it a go. Give it a go.